Three powerful kingdoms arose between 750 CE and 1000 CE. Out of the ruins of Harsha's empire, and hence period is also known as the Age of Three Empires. The Rashtrakutas took over the control in North India of Deccan, the Palas
हो
in
गया ओके ओके
Bengal and
हर्षित
Bihar region.
हर्षित हो गया छवि रानी आपने कल पढ़ा था ना छवि रानी आपने कल पढ़ा था ना यस और नो
Yes, ma'am.
छवि रानी प्रत्युष आपने भी पढ़ा था कल प्रत्युष आपने कल पढ़ा था या नहीं
Yes, ma'am. पढ़ा था.
ओके अनुष्का कुमारी आपने भी कल पढ़ा था
Yes, ma'am.
अपराजिता आपने पढ़ा था या नहीं
No, ma'am.
ठीक है अपना हैंड डाउन करिए मेहंदी हाथ में लगा कर उसको दिखाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं कीप योर हैंड डाउन पढ़ना शुरू करिए चलिए
The three main kingdoms through continuously engaged in war were successful in providing stable administration which helped in the progress of art and literature. Let us study them one by one. Rashtrakutas. The Rashtrakutas established the most powerful empire in northern Deccan in 753 Common Era. They become the masters of the large area of the present Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Their empire acted as bridge between North and South India. Dantidurg is considered to be the real founder of the Rashtrakuta Empire. Govinda III and Amogh Varsha 814 to 880 Common Era were the well-known Rashtrakuta kings. The Rashtrakutas were great warrior, art lover, and scholar. They took up titles like Chakravarti, Maharaj Dhiraj, and Parabhatrak. They maintained huge armies and encouraged trade of prosperity of the people. Rajputas followed Jainism but also patronized Buddhists, Hindus, and Muslims. Rajputas rulers were great patron of art and learning.
ओके
Their
हो
rulers
गया
saw the
हो गया अपराजिता ओके गुड बहुत बढ़िया उदित राज कल आप पढ़ लिए थे अनिमा शर्मा आप भी कल पढ़ ली
यस
थी
मैम पढ़ लिए थे
यस और नो बोलिए हाँ
मैम पढ़ ली थी.
यस सुमिता शर्मा आप भी पढ़ ली थी खुशी कुमारी यस पढ़िए खुशी कुमारी पढ़िए चलिए खुशी कुमारी खुशी कुमारी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सौम्या सिन्हा कल पढ़ी थी सौम्या सिन्हा आपने कल पढ़ा था
नो मैम.
खुशी आपकी आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस खुशी आप अपना ऑडियो थोड़ा चेक करिए अगर मेरी आवाज जा रही है तो इसका मतलब मेरा ठीक है आपके तरफ से गड़बड़ सौम्या पढ़िए आप
Their rules
Soumya,
saw
you
the
start.
flourishing of regional literature. Rock-cut temples of Ellora belonging to Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain sects are a proof of the religious tolerance of Rashtrakutas. Amogh Varsha himself was a great lover of Sanskrit. He wrote Kavira Gamarga, one of the earliest works in Kannada poetry. By the end of 10th century, the Chalukyas crushed the power of Rashtrakutas and took over the control of their kingdom. Pala.
Yes, now हो गया सौम्या सिन्हा रविशंकर आपने कल पढ़ा था आकाश भी पढ़े थे उत्पल आपने पढ़ा था कल
यस मैम पढ़ा था.
उत्पल आपने पढ़ा था कल
नो मैम
हाँ तो पढ़िए आप उत्पल पढ़िए
plus very limited information is available about the history of Bengal for the period between the date of Harsha and the setting of Palas. But it is well known that during this time Bengal faced a lot of infighting among the small kingdom. The people of Bengal elected Gopala as their king to maintain peace and order. He set up an empire which ruled over for about 400 years. His success used Pala after the name and hence their empire came to the known as the Pala density.
ओके सौम्या सिंह, आप कल पढ़ी थी? सौम्या सिंह, आपने कल पढ़ा था? यस और नो? पढ़िए, चलिए पढ़िए। सौम्या सिंह, you start
Dhanpala
reading.
was the great ruler of Pala dynasty. He set up a center of Buddhist education which was known as Vikramshil Vihar. His son Devpala extended the Pala Empire and also defeated the Huns. The end of his period had in decline the Pala ruler.
सही तो
The Pala सॉरी मैम, मेरे घर से बहुत नॉइज हो रही है।
वो तो मैं भी सुन रही हूँ कि आपके घर से बहुत आवाज हो रही है। प्रेमा दित्या कुमार, आप पढ़ेंगे? प्रेमा दित्या कुमार,
यस मैम।
हाँ पढ़िए।
His son Devpala extended the Pala's empire and also in the decline of Pala. The Pala rulers were the followers of Buddhism. Many scholars were sent to distant countries to spread Buddhism. They also gave generous grants to Brahmins to build temples. Palas were the great patrons of art, education, and literature. Pratiharas, they are also called
पढ़िए पहले
Gujara Pratihara. West Bengal was known as God and East Bengal as Benga. The famous Nalanda University was received during the Pala Empire. Pratiharas. They are also called Gujara Pratiharas, probably because they originated from Gujarat. They ruled over Gujarat and southwestern Rajasthan. The founder of the Pratihara Empire was Nagbhatta I. The greatest ruler of this dynasty was Mihir Bhoj. He conquered Kannauj around 836 CE. The country's battles weakened the Pratihara Empire and it broke into a number of small kingdoms. The Pratihara were
ओके। इच्छित कुमार भार्गव, आप कल पढ़े थे? इच्छित कुमार भार्गव कल पढ़े थे कि नहीं पढ़े थे? इच्छित पढ़ो।
The continuous battle weakened the Pratihara's empire and it broke into a number of smaller kingdoms. The Pratiharas were great warriors. They fought many battles with the Palas and the Rakshasas. The Pratiharas kings were also great patrons of art and literature. King Mihir Bhoj himself was a well-known scholar. Regional language developed at a fast rate under Pratihara's rule. During this time, early forms of Marathi and Gujarati were spoken in Western India. Bengali, Assam, and Udiya became popular in Eastern India. The beautiful temples of Khajuraho, Kanchipuram, Thanjavur, Bhubaneswar, Puri, and Konark were built during the rule of Pratihara. The art of miniature painting also started during this period.
ओके, हो गया। ऋषिका राज, आप कल पढ़ी थी? ऋषिका राज, यस, ओके। खुशी कुमारी पढ़िए, आपकी तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है। खुशी पढ़िए। देखती हूँ फिर आवाज आती है। खुशी आवाज नहीं आ रही। सौम्या शेखर सिंह, सौम्या शेखर सिंह,
Yes, ma'am.
आप पढ़िए। आप कल पढ़ी थी आप?
No, ma'am.
हाँ पढ़िए, चलिए पढ़िए।
The beautiful temples of Kanjuraha, Kachipuram,
ये तो
and
हो चुका है, ये हो चुका है। आपको पढ़ना है ट्रिपाटाइट स्ट्रगल से पढ़ना है।
okay,
इसके
sorry.
नीचे वाला।
ट्रिपटाइट
Trip-
स्ट्रगल से पढ़ना है।
Tripartite struggle. Kanju was considered a symbol of power in North India. Hence, the three kingdoms, the Rajputta, the Pala, and the Pratihara, were continuously engaged in the struggle to the possess Kanauj. Their struggle was known as the Tripartite struggle. Each of them succeeded in occupying Kanjur in turn, as they were almost at par in military strength. But the continuous battles weakened them and finally led to the decline of all the three great powers. The empire disintegrated into many small kingdoms within a period of 100 years.
इसका डू
Rajputs
यू नो पढ़
around
लीजिए।
nine.
ऊपर का पहले डू यू नो पढ़िए इसका।
Okay, ma'am. Do you know the brave Pratihara stopped the Arab invention for nearly 300 years?
ओके, पेज नंबर
Rajputs.
74 का, पेज नंबर 74 का डी यू नो पढ़िए, नीचे वाला।
Okay, ma'am. Do you know 5 kingdoms which emerged from the Pratihara Empire were the Cholas of Rajasthan,
चौहान ऑफ,
Ghar-
चौहान है,
Chauhan,
चौहान
Chauhan,
पढ़ती है सब।
Chauhans of Rajasthan, Gharwala of Kannauj, Sonakis of Gujarat, Padmaras of Malwa, and the Chandels of Bundelkhand.
ओके, सौम्या शेखर सिंह हो गया आपका, हो गया सौम्या। शशांक शेखर पढ़ लिए थे। और क्या अनिशा कुमारी आपने पढ़ लिया था? शशांक शेखर आपने कल पढ़ा था ना, रीडिंग दिया था ना? यस और नो? ओके, अनिशा कुमारी।
Common era, the whole of the north is part patchwork of small kingdom has the power of
खुशी कुमारी प्लीज वेट। आप पढ़ रही हैं, आप रीडिंग दे रही हैं?
मैम मेरी वॉइस आ रही है?
हाँ अभी आने लगी आपकी आवाज। अगर आपको रीडिंग देना है तो स्टार्ट करिए राजपूत से। खुशी कुमारी स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Rajput. Around 19th century common era, the whole of North India has become a patchwork of small kingdoms. As the power of Rajput and the Pal and the Pratihar ended almost simultaneously during the 10th century, three important developments took place in medieval India. Firstly, North India came in close contact with Western and Central Asia. Secondly, most of the kingdom came under the rule of Rajput, who were constantly at war with one another. Finally, the continuous war under the rule of Rajput, who were constantly at war with one another. Finally, the continuous war created political instabilities, which was the major cause of the beginning of Turkey's invasion in the North India. The Rajput
ओके वंशिका आर यू लिसनिंग मी? वंशिका, अनिशा कुमारी आपने पढ़ा था? अनिशा कुमारी कल आपने पढ़ा था? अनिशा कुमारी 7B पढ़िए अनिशा।
The Rajputs played an important
Good morning, ma'am.
role in medieval period. They were famous for their bravery. There is no clarity about the origin of Rajput. The word Rajput means sons of Raja or king. But all the Rajputs do not belong to royal families. Many Rajput families trace their origin to sun or moon, and thus are known as Suryavanshi and Chandravanshi, respectively. So, some historians believe that the Rajputs are the descendants of foreigners tribes who had settled in India. It is also believed that the main of clans of Rajputs were born from fire ultras. Hence, they are also known as Agnikul. They are Puram,
परमार्स
Parmaras, Malwa,
परमार्स हाँ प्रतिहार हाँ
Pratiharas, Rajasthan और गुजरात.
चौहान्स
And Chalukyas, Gujarat. There were about 36 clans of Rajput.
ओके वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया नेक्स्ट देववंशिका वंशिका वंशिका
Yes, ma'am.
वंशिका आर यू लिसनिंग हाँ पढ़ो वंशिका
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पढ़िए वंशिका हाँ पढ़िए
Yes, ma'am.
वंशिका चलिए स्टार्ट करिए हाँ
Got a special place of prestige among all the Rajput clans. The Chauhan kings ruled over Gujarat and parts of Rajasthan. Prithviraj Chauhan was the most powerful king among Chauhans. He came to the throne in 1177 CE. He made many conquests. He also checked the advances made by Muhammad Ghori of Ghor, Afghanistan, by defeating him at the battlefield of Tehran near Bhatinda. Even today, Prithviraj Chauhan remains a hero of many folk tales of India. Chand Bardai composed an epic poem, Prithviraj Rasor, which narrates his bravery of heroism. The struggle of supremacy and
डू यू नो क्यों तुम लोग छोड़ देते
fight.
हो तुम लोग डू यू नो क्यों छोड़ देते हो डू यू नो पढ़िए
Okay, ma'am. Jayachand, the king of Kannauj, held a swayamvar for his daughter Samyukta. He did not invite Prithviraj. He placed a statue of Prithviraj in the position of the doorkeeper in his court to insult him. The princes of Kannauj rejected all the prince assembled and instead placed the garland around the statue's neck. Before the countries released what had happened, Prithviraj, who had been hiding close by, sprung up and rode away with the princess. The struggle of supreme and constant infighting created disunity and enmity among the Rajputs that attracted the Muslims' invasion in India. The Rajputs failed to join hands with each other to defend India from Arab inventions.
ओके ओके शशांक शर्मा आप नहीं पढ़े हैं शशांक शर्मा कल आपने पढ़ा था कि नहीं शशांक
Yes,
शर्मा
ma'am.
पढ़े थे तो अभी हाथ नहीं उठाइए अभी हाथ जो नो शशांक शर्मा
Ma'am.
आपने कल पढ़ा था या नहीं
No,
तो
ma'am.
अभी नहीं पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़े थे तो
No,
पढ़िए
ma'am. नहीं पढ़े.
पढ़िए हाँ पढ़िए
Administration. The king was all powerful in North India. He was assisted by different officials. The empire was divided into provinces. The king was the head of military as well as the judiciary. The king spent huge amount of money on building up strong armies. Economy. There was a great economic disparity among different social classes. The royal family, high officials, and the traders were prosperous. The people living in villages were poor. The temple were the center of riches and hence attracted a lot of invaders. Feudal system was prevalent in North India. The king granted land as reward to officers who came to be known as Thakurs or Rais. They provided military assistance to the king at a time of war. The feudal system led to the decline of many empires as the feudal lords gave only a small part of the land revenue to the king. This weakened the power of the kings. Moreover, many feudal lords like Chauhans and Paramaras become powerful and established independent empires.
ओके
Society.
ओके ओके राधिका 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 आपने कल पढ़ा था राधिका आर यू लिसनिंग राधिका आर यू लिसनिंग और इन द क्लास और नॉट राधिका नॉट श्योर पुरू रंजन आपने पढ़ा था पुरू रंजन 7B प्रज्ञा प्रद्योत हाँ पुरू रंजन आपने कल पढ़ा था
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ लिए थे आर्यन आर्यन सलोनी राज in the class or not Bagisha no Anant Kumar Roy no Yashasvi Raj no Aman Kumar Roy no एक बार पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जाते हैं किन्हीं को कुछ कोई जो पढ़ लिए वो नहीं जो नहीं पढ़े हैं वो बोलिए आज उनसे हम थोड़ा देर सुनना चाहते हैं अभी मैंने किनका नाम लिया जिन्होंने कोई रिस्पांस नहीं दिया सुन लीजिए बगीशा और ये अनंत कुमार रॉय और यशस्वी राज आदित्य कुमार दे हैव नॉट गिवन मी एनी यस कौन बोल रहे हैं बोलिए
मैम आपने राधिका का नाम लिया था
आपने किसका नाम लिया था बोलिए
मैम ने राधिका का भी नाम लिया था
हाँ राधिका हाँ राधिका है जी रिस्पॉन्डेड लेकिन फिर उसके बाद कुछ नहीं बोली राधिका आर यू इन द क्लास गौरी सिंह
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ गौरी सिंह आपने कल पढ़ा था
Yes.
पढ़ी थी यस राधिका आपने राधिका नो चलिए ठीक है कोई बात नहीं कौन हाथ किनका हाथ आ रहा था अभी प्रत्युष राज हाँ प्रत्युष राज चलिए आप जो है कीवर्ड्स को पढ़िए तो पूरा 78 में पेज में दिया हुआ कीवर्ड्स प्रत्युष राज
Yes, ma'am. Epic poem, a long narrative poem usually about heroic deeds and events that are significant to the culture of the poet. Second, feudal system. The socio-political setup of medieval Europe based on land holdings. Third, miniature painting, a small painting executed with great details. Fourth, mural painting, any piece of artwork painted or applied on a wall, ceiling, etc. Option fifth, patron, a person who supports an artist, writer, etc. with money, gift, or endorsement.
Endorsement.
Sixth, philosophy, the study of nature, cause of principles of reality. Sixth, option seven.
Polygamy.
The practice of having more than one wife.
Yes, now Aparajita.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आप पढ़िए कीवर्ड्स को पढ़िए
Epic poem, a long narrative poem usually about heroic deeds and events that are significant to the culture of the poet. Feudal system, the socio-political setup medieval Europe based on landholding. Miniature painting, a small painting executed with great detail. Mural painting, any piece of artwork painted or applied on a wall, ceiling, etc. Patron, a person who supports an artist, writer, etc. with money, gift, or endorsement. Philosophy, the study of nature, cows the principle of reality. Polygamy, the practice of having more than one wife.
Okay. Now, Udit Raj, society पढ़िए, पेज नंबर 76 का society पढ़िए.
The rigid caste system led to the division of Indian society. The king, the feudal lords, and the Brahmins in high positions enjoyed a life of luxury. Land was cultivated mainly by Shudras who were burdened by taxes and social discrimination. The condition of women was quite miserable. They were deprived of education. The evil practices like sati, child marriage, and polygamy contributed to the decline in the status of women. Do you
हो
know
गया,
the
हो गया. Now, Anima Sharma पढ़िए. Do you know के
Yes,
साथ religion, हाँ उस पेज का do you know और religion दोनों पढ़िए, जल्दी करो. चलिए.
Do you know the women of royal families committed jihad, immolating in the fires to protect their honor if their menfolk were defeated or killed in a battle? Religion, the Rajputs mainly worshipped gods Vishnu and Shiv. They also worship goddess Kali, Lakshmi, and Durga. Rajput kings have gifted to land to the Brahmins. Brahmadev or Agrahara. Hinduism become more popular than Buddhism. Many Buddhists took shelter in Southeast Asia when the Turks attacked monasteries at Nalanda. During this period, the Bhakti saints preached devotion to God and opposed social discrimination, superstition, and narrow-mindedness.
हो गया आपका. आकाश कुमार, एजुकेशन पढ़िए. आकाश कुमार.
superstition and narrow-mindedness were a great hurdle to education. The elementary education was limited to temples and monasteries. The universities of Nalanda, Vikramashiel, located in Bihar, become important center of higher education. The study of philosophy and religion were engaged, but subjects like mathematics and science were ignored. The religion language.
The regional language.
The regional language like Marathi, Gujarati, and Bengali developed as they were the language in which Bhakti sons preached and composed songs. But Sanskrit enjoyed a place of prominence. Pali and
Prakrit language. Pali है, पाल नहीं है, पाली है. सुनता ही नहीं
Pali
है.
and Prakrit
जो मर गया
languages
गलती भी पढ़ेगा सब सुनेगा भी.
were used for writing books on Buddhism and Jainism.
हो गया. चलिए ऋषिका कुमारी, ऋषिका राज. चलिए आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर पढ़िए. आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर पढ़िए. ऋषिका राज नहीं. छवि रानी आप पढ़िए. छवि रानी पढ़िए.
Art and architecture. The example of the painting of North India can be found in the form of mural in places, caves and temples. The Jain monks and painters of Bengal developed the art of miniature painting, small pictures drawn on illustrated books. The Lingaraj and Mukteshwar temple and at Bhubaneswar and the Sun temple at Konark are the fine examples of architecture of the period from 8th to 12th century.
हो गया. ठीक है. विवेक वर्मा. चलिए ट्रेड पढ़िए. ट्रेड.
Yes, ma'am. Trade. India developed trade relations with the countries of the East, Southeast, West, and Central Asia and the European countries. This brought India into close contact with the development in other countries. The common feature in the political, social, and cultural life in different parts of world, the people of India closer let on this proved to be a great boon for Afghan, Turkish, and Mughal rulers to establish their rule in India.
Do you know? The world famous Khojuri temple complex was built by Chandel, ruler of Bundekal Khan, who were earlier the feudatories of Pratihara. These temples are decorated with beautiful sculptures.
बहुत बढ़िया, ओके ओके। नेक्स्ट है शशांक शेखर। एक कीवर्ड्स पढ़िए तो, शशांक शेखर कीवर्ड्स पढ़िए, पढ़िए कीवर्ड्स। आवाज नहीं आ रही है शशांक आपकी। शशांक, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस। आवाज नहीं आ रही है। नो, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस। नो, सॉरी। देवप्रिया, तुम्हारी भी आवाज नहीं आती है, तुम कुछ भी पढ़ती हो आवाज नहीं आती। रविशंकर।
मैम मेरी वॉइस आ रही है?
हुई देयर, कौन बोल रहे हैं? कौन बोल रहे हैं?
मैम खुशी
खुशी, तुम तो अभी पढ़ी हो ना। शशांक शेखर, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस। नो। ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम कल हम आप लोगों से पूछेंगे, कीवर्ड्स पूछेंगे। कल का होमवर्क कीवर्ड्स है, इसको पढ़ के रखिएगा।